To manage your one-page website, first you need to log in your admin panel. For that, you need to enter your email ID and password which you set for your business profile. Once you enter your password and mail ID, click on login button, and once you click on login button, you will redirect to the admin panel, means your admin panel will be open, from which you can manage your single page website. To manage single page website, you need to click on one page website on a left side menu bar and click over here. After clicking over here, you will redirect to the one page website panel. Whenever you open one page website for a first time, sure that business name must be unique, because same name cannot be updated twice. So over here you need to enter your business name, or you can copy paste name also. After adding name, you need to click on submit button, and once you click on submit button, your subdomain will be ready. By clicking on subdomain, you can check that your basic page is ready. Right now there is not have any data, because in admin panel there is not have done any data entry. So after adding all the details, your website will be ready. So starting from card view or slider view, you can manage view from here. Then after sidebar and top bar view, so you can manage menu bar as per your requirement. If you want it in a sidebar, you can make it off, and if you want it on a top, click it on. So as per your requirement, you can manage sidebar also. Over here, card view and slider view, if this button is off, then card view is open. If this button will be on, slider can visible. So as per your requirement, you can manage your view also. After that, here is the slider option, by which you can add your slider for your organization. Then after company details, in which you can manage your basic company details, which is shown in card view. And then after SEO details, over here you can enter your SEO details, so that whenever you share your URL, at that time company description name will be shared with the link. Then after about us is there, in which you can enter your company profile. Then after product and services, over here you can update 25 products or services as per your requirement. After that, photo gallery. In this, you first need to create photo gallery, and then after enter your business images. After that, video gallery option is also there, in which you can add your video. In over here you can add your YouTube videos, and by which customer can check your video also. Download brochure section is also there, by which you can create download section. Over there customer can download your PDF or brochures to connect with your business. Then after additional photo gallery is also there. If you have multiple image, but that is 25 images, you can add in primary gallery. After that, if there is image remaining from your side, you can also create additional photo gallery, in which you can enter 25 photo also. Then after contact details option is there, in which you can create your contact details like mobile number, email ID and address, by which customer can connect your business. Then after testimonial section is also, in which you can create testimonials given from the customer. 25 testimonial can be updated in website. And last section is social media, in which you can enter your social media link like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the details you can enter over here. It is the dashboard view, in which you can manage your entire one page website. Over here you have inquiry and order section. If customer made an inquiry, you will get inquiry over here. And whenever customer make a buy now, means it's an informative website, so no one can purchase directly from the website, but they can made an inquiry, and buy now inquiry will be displayed over here. Further we check that how can you get the inquiry from the customer side. So starting from dashboard, here we selected slider view. So first we are going to enter slider in your website. So to add slider in your website, click on add or view button. Once you click on add view button, over here you need to enter your slider details. Title is here, so enter your slider title. After adding slider, description option is there. Description is optional, so you can skip this part. And if you enter description, it is not going to show in website, so it can be optional, and you cannot, and means you can ignore this one. Then after click on upload image option, and once you click on upload image, over here you need to select image whatever slider you want to show in your website. By clicking on submit button, your slider is created. You can add multiple 6 slider in your website. So if you have multiple slider, you can enter up to 6 slider as per your requirement. You just need to enter title, select image and click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, your slider is created, and in website you can check that there is a slider option is there. Right now sidebar view is activate, so if you want to make it on a top bar, just click on this button and your sidebar will be at the top. So as per your requirement, you can manage your menu bar as on a top or a side. After that, in a slider, if you want to edit your existing slider or update those slider, so for that click on add or view button, and over here you have option of edit button. By clicking on edit, you can update image or slider title, and by clicking on submit button, your changes will be done. If you want to hide particular slider from the panel without deleting, so click this button off, and now when you check your website, there is only one slider, so your slider will be deactivated. So as per your requirement, if you want to deactivate particular slider, you just need to click this button off, and to activate, click this button on. So by using this status button, you can manage your sliders visibility. Then after, delete option is also there. If you want to delete particular slider on a permanent base, just click on delete button, and by confirming yes delete, your slider will be deleted. So as per your requirement, you can manage slider from here. After adding slider, we are going to learn that how to manage your company details. To manage your company details, click on add or view button. Once you click on add or view button, over here you need to have a option of company logo, company details, tagline and services. So first you need to upload your logo over here. So for that, click on upload button and select particular logo for your business. Then after, enter your business name over here. You can enter company details, business name or your personal name. It will be show on card view. So for here, if you using card view details, then enter your personal name over here. In designation, whatever designation you have in your organization, you need to enter your designation and company tagline. After adding company tagline, you have option of adding services. These services will be displayed on card view at the back side. So whenever you use card view, your company details like name, designation, tagline and services will be displayed on a card view. So for that, you need to click on add new button and enter services which you have. So here you can add up to 14 services, and for that you just need to click on add on button, and you can add multiple services in your website. If you want to remove your services from here, just click on this cross button and your service will be removed, and to add, you just need to click on add button. By confirming all the details, click on submit button and your company details will be submitted. And once we click on website, you can check that your logo will be displayed over here and rest of details will be displayed in card view. When we check the card view, you will check that all the details which we add in company details will be displayed over there. Then after, SEO setting is there. Right now, how to manage your SEO settings. To manage your SEO settings, you need to click on add or view button. Once you click on add or view button, over here you have multiple details in which you can manage your SEO. First you need to enter your company name. And you can also enter your city name, so that whenever your website will be open, your name will be displayed with the favicon image. Over here you need to describe your business in a short. You can add up to 160 words in this passage. So enter about your business. So over here you can enter about your business in a short. Then after here keyword option is there. So in keyword you can enter your service or product name by separating comma. Then after canonical being Google site verification, website schema, broadcom schema, Facebook pixel and author. All the details is there. These are the optional details, so if you want to ignore this you can skip this part, and if you want to manage your SEO on a basic level you can enter all these details from your side. After that, in OG text you need to enter title. In title you are going to enter your business name, and in site name also you enter your business name. In URL you need to enter your website URL. So for that copy your domain name, subdomain name and paste over here. So after adding these details you need to click on submit. This star field is compulsory details, means it's a mandatory, so these details must be entered from your side to and create your SEO details, and rest of details will be optional, so you can skip those details. And by clicking on submit button your SEO details is created, and now whenever you share your URL, means this one page website link, the company name, company title and your description will be shared with the URL. After adding SEO you have about us option. So how to manage about us details in your website? To manage about us details or create about us section, you need to click on add and view option button. Once you click on add view button, over here you have the title and description option. In title enter title about your business, about us, or whatever you want to say, like if you want to add why choose us or who we are, whatever title you want to give particular section, you need to enter title over here, and your description will be entered in this box. After adding details click on submit button, and once you click on submit button your about us is created. Let's check that how about us will be managed in website. So over here you can check that about us details is created and your title will be displayed over here. If you want to update this title, it is possible. For that you need to comes to the admin panel and click on add and view button. Once you click on add and view button, over here you have the option of update the title. Just click on edit button and add the title whatever you want, and by clicking on tick mark button your changes will be updated. And now you can check that on website over here title is updated, and title is updated in the particular section also. So as per your requirement you can manage your title for the particular about us section. So right now we learned that how to manage about us in your profile. If you want to edit the particular details, just click on add and view button, and over here edit button is also there. By clicking on edit button you can remove extra space if you want, and whatever details you want to update you just need to add those details and click on submit button. By clicking on submit button your changes will be done, and you can check that extra space will be removed. So as per your requirement you can manage details from the clicking on add and view button. Here an inactive active option is also there, so if you want to disable the about us section just click this button off and your about us section will be disabled from the website. Right now there is not have any about us section in a website. So as per your requirement you can manage your about us details. By clicking this button off, you can deactivate the section, and by clicking this button on, you can activate the section. After that, you have delete option is also. So if you want delete this particular section on permanent base, just click this button off and your section will be deleted permanently. So to manage about us details, you need to click on add and view button, and you can update your requirement by clicking this button, which you can manage your product or services. How to upload or manage your product or services? To upload and manage your product section or service section, click on add and view button. Once you click on add and view button, you have the product details form by which you can create your product or services. First you need to enter your title, then after price tag is there, after that currency option in which you are dealing, then after description, over here you can enter your product or service description and upload images. In image section you can upload 4 images in particular service or product. So first you need to enter your product or service title, after that enter price for particular product or service, then after select currency. In currency section you can select any currency in which you are dealing. You just need to search the particular currency name and you have the option of particular currency. By clicking this currency, you have the currency selected. So whatever currency you want to select, just click this button, search the currency name and select the currency. Then after description option there, so in description you need to enter your product or service description so that customer get idea about particular product or service. And over here you can upload multiple 4 image. To upload image, just click on this button and select particular image. So in section you can add multiple image, just click this button upload and you have the image upload option. After adding all the image, you just need to click on submit button, and once you click on submit button, your product or service is created. So in product service section you can add multiple product or service up to 25, and every product or service have 4 image option. Now when you click on website domain name, you can check that your product or service section is created. If you want to update this title, like you are in a service based business, so if you want to change this title with the services, for that you need to click on add product or services and update your product title. For change the title, you need to click on this edit button, and once you click on edit button, you just need to enter whatever title you want for your service section. Just click on tick mark button and your title will be updated. By clicking your domain name, over here you can check that title is updated. So as per your requirement, you have the option to update the title. After that, if you want to manage your existing product and services, just click on add and view button, and over here you have the option to edit. If you want to edit, just click on edit button and you can edit your services. Over here star option is there. So star option is defined the cover image. If you want to update the cover image, means the image which is show on a first can be updated by selecting the star. So if you want this second image on a cover page, so click this star, and by clicking on submit button, now you can check that your star image will be added as a cover image. So as per your requirement, you can update your image section. Over here in product section, you can enter multiple 25 services or products. So for that you need to just click the title and enter the title name, add value, select currency and enter description and upload images. It is not necessary that you need to enter 4 images at the same time. You can upload any single image also, and by clicking on submit button, your product or service will be created. So as per your requirement, you can create multiple 25 services or product in your business by using product or service section. And clicking upload image, click on submit button. So over here in your website, you can manage your product or services based on your requirement. And whenever you multiple service, here you have shop now by show all button is there. By clicking on show all button, all the services or products will be displayed on the customer side. So you can manage product or services over here by clicking on add and view button. If you want to hide particular service, just click this button off and particular service will be disabled from the website. And if you want to activate the service, just click on this button and your product or service will be activated. Delete button is also there. If you want to delete your product or service on a permanent base, just click on delete button, and by confirming yes delete, your product or service will be deleted on a permanently base. After that, there is a photo gallery option is there. So how to create image gallery in your website? To create image gallery, click on create photo gallery. Once you click on photo gallery, you need to enter title for the particular gallery. Whatever title you want, you just need to enter over here. Description is optional, so you can skip this part. And by clicking on submit button, your gallery will be created. Over here you have the edit option to change the title, delete option to delete permanent about permanent from your panel. Means if you want to delete your gallery, just click on delete button and all the gallery images will be deleted in a single click. And if you want to deactivate the gallery, just click this button off and entire gallery section is deactivated. And if you want to activate, just click this button on. Here we are learned that how to add images in your gallery section. To add images, click on add and view button. Once you click on add button, over here you need to enter title and upload image. So first enter title and click on upload image to add image. By clicking on submit button, your image will be added, and in website you can check that your photo gallery is created and here image is there. So over here if you want to update title, it is also possible. For that you need to come to the panel and click on add and view gallery option, and over here title option is there. By clicking on edit button, you just need to enter your title whatever you want and click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, in website you can check that your title is changed from certificate to gallery. So whatever title you want, you can update as per your requirement. In gallery section also you can update 25 images and title is optional. So if you don't want to add title with the image, you can skip this also. And if you want title, you just need to enter title whatever you want. And by clicking on submit button, your image will be added in gallery. So as per your requirement, you can create gallery and enter multiple images in your section by clicking on submit button. Here you can check that your multiple image will be displayed in a gallery like this. If you want to disable any particular image from the gallery, use this status button to click deactivate. Click this button off and your particular image will be deactivated, and click it on to activate the image. After that, edit option is there. If you want to change the image or title, click on edit button, and by updating your changes, once you click on submit button, your data will be changed. And delete option is also there. If you want to delete particular image from your website on a permanent base, just click on delete button and yes delete. When you confirm the button yes delete, your image will be removed from your gallery. So here you can manage your gallery section as per your requirement. If you click this button off, then your entire gallery section will be hide. So if you want to hide or your entire gallery section from the website, just click this button off, and if you want to show all the images, just click this button on, and your gallery section is available. So as per your requirement, you can manage your section visibility by using this button. After adding gallery, we have video gallery option is also. So for that, first you need to click on create video gallery. So how to add videos in your website? To manage your videos, you need to click on create video gallery. Once you click on video gallery, you need to enter title over here. After adding title, description is optional, so you can skip this, and by clicking on submit button, your video gallery is created. To add videos in a gallery, click on add and view button. Once you click on add, over here you have the option of enter title and description, means your video URL. In video link, you must have to enter YouTube video only. Rather than YouTube video, other video cannot be updated, so make sure that you are adding video from YouTube. Over here you need to enter title. Title is optional, so you can skip this also. And enter YouTube URL over here, and by clicking on submit button, your video is created. And in website section, you can check that in video section your video will be displayed. So as per your requirement, you can add up to 25 videos in your video gallery. Just for that, you need to click on add and view button, enter the title if you want to show, and click on submit button after adding video URL. So as per your requirement, you can enter multiple videos and enter your YouTube video link and click on submit button. So over here you can check that your multiple videos will be displayed like this, and once you add more videos, show all option is there, where customer can click the button and check all the details. If you want to disable the particular video from the gallery, you just need to click the status button off, and your video will be removed from your website. And if you want to show those videos, just click on this button and your video will be visible. Edit button is also there. If you want to update the title or change the video, just make the changes and click on submit button. By clicking on submit button, your changes will be updated. And delete button is there. If you want to remove the video permanently from your website, just click on delete button, and by clicking on yes delete, your video will be deleted. So as per your requirement, you can manage 25 videos from the video gallery and update as per your need. Then after, download and brochure. How to manage download and brochure section in your website? To upload brochure or download, click on add your view button. Over here you can upload multiple 25 brochures PDF from your business, by which customer can download your documents and check about your profile. So for that, you need to enter your title over here about the particular document you are adding. After adding title, click on upload button. Make sure that whatever image or PDF you are adding, its size is less than 25 MB, because more than 25 MB image cannot be updated in download section. So 25 MB is limited for the particular file, like you are uploading image or PDF or document, whatever details you are uploading in your download section, it will be less than 25. After click on submit button, your brochure will be added in your website, and now customer can check your details. For that, we are going to click on your website name, and here you can check that your download section is created. Over here you can check the brochure option is there. So as per your requirement, you can enter multiple brochures by clicking on add and view button. Just enter the title, click on upload button, and select the particular profile like image or whatever details you want to share with the user. Title is optional, so you can skip this part also. If you don't want to show title with your download brochure, you can skip it. And by clicking on submit button, your details will be updated, and you can check in your profile that multiple details will be have in your download section. If you want to update this title, it can be possible. For that, you need to click on add and view button, and over here click on edit button and update your details. By clicking on submit button, your title will be updated, and over here you can check that in download section title is now brochure. So as per your requirement, you can update title for the particular section. Then after, additional photo gallery is there. If you have more image, like 25 image is not enough for your website, so for updating more image, you just need to create additional gallery, and for that repeat the same process which you learn in a gallery section. So how to add photo gallery, additional photo gallery? For that, click on create photo gallery and add the title. After adding title, click on submit button, and your additional photo gallery is created. Now to add images, click on add and view button and enter title over here. Subtitle is optional, so you can skip this part, and even it is not display on a website, so ignore this subtitle. And by clicking on submit button, your image is created in a additional photo gallery, and in website you can check that your additional gallery will be available on a website. Here you can update the title as per your requirement. For that, you need to click on website, click on add and view gallery and edit the title. And by clicking on title, you can check that your additional photo gallery's name is updated. So whatever name you want to give to the particular section, you can update from your panel by clicking on add and view button, and over here you just need to change the title whatever you want and click on submit button. You can add multiple images in this section also. Over here you can upload 25 images based on your requirement. Here you can check that all the images which you update is available over here. In any gallery section, if you want to change the sequence of images, for that just need to click the particular image and drag and drop at the location you want. By updating the sequence, your sequence will be updated in your website. So whatever sequence you want in your website, just drag and drop particular image and your sequence will be updated. After creating gallery, next is a contact us details. How to manage contact details in your website. To manage your contact details, click on add and view button, and once you click on add and view button, here you have form to update your contact details. First you need to enter your branch name. In branch name you can enter your business name. After that, address line 1. In address line 1 you can enter your particular building name or a number, whatever details you have with you. Enter your details. In area you can enter your area name, then after country enter your state name over here. After that, enter your city name and pin code. Latitude, longitude is for customer to redirect at your particular location which you get from your Google map. For that you need to click on your location and click the right click and get the latitude longitude details. Over here you need to enter latitude longitude. Then after phone number is there, so over here first you need to select the country code. +91 is default. If you using another country code, another phone number from different country, you just need to type the country code and select from the list whatever you want. By clicking the button, your country code is selected and enter your mobile number. You can enter multiple numbers. For that you need to click on add phone button and you have the option to add your additional number. Same in email also, you can enter multiple images. For that first you need to enter your image, and to add multiple image just click on email, add email option. If you want to remove, just click on this cross button and additional detail will be removed from the contact details. Here your working hour details is there. If you want to update your working hour, you just need to update as per your requirement. And you can manage all the details from here. By clicking on submit button, your address will be created, and in your website you can check that contact details is there. Once you add contact details, WhatsApp option will be available in your services by which customer can connect to the number which you add in your contact details. Contact details will be look like this, and from here customer can manage the details. And latitude longitude is for this button. Whenever customer click on this location button, they are going to redirect the location which you add in your contact details in latitude longitude. So make sure that lat long is clear so that customer can reach to the address. You can enter multiple address. For that you need to enter your details over here. Then multiple address can be managed in a one website. If you have profit means if you have two multiple offices in the same organization, you can enter multiple address to manage your business. Whenever you have multiple address, select the star option to show the particular address as a primary, and whatever star field is selected, whenever customer click on WhatsApp button, they are going to redirect at the first number which you add in your contact details, which is selected as a star field indicate the primary selection, and primary selection will be managed in your website in a contact details to connect customer directly by clicking on WhatsApp button. So here we learn that how to enter contact details and manage contacts. After managing contact details, next section is testimonial. So how to manage or update testimonial in your website. To manage testimonial, just click on add and view button, and once you click on add and view button, here you have form to update your testimonial. In title you need to enter customer name. In company name, if customer is from a particular company, you can enter company name over here, and description is there. After that you need to upload particular image for customer whatever you want to update. So over here enter customer name in title. After adding customer name, enter company name if they have any. Then after description, in which customer reviews will be entered. So whatever review given from the customer you can enter in description. And click on upload image to add customer image. And click the submit button, and your testimonial is created. Now you can check in your website that testimonial section is created and it will be displayed at the bottom. So in your website you can enter multiple 25 testimonials by which other customer get idea about your business. So for that To create testimonial, you just need to click on add and view button, enter the title, company name, and description. So testimonial is there, and by dragging the particular details, customer can check multiple testimonials added in your website. So here you can manage your testimonial by clicking on add and view button. If you want to deactivate particular testimonial, just click this status button off and your testimonial is hidden from website. If you want to available this particular testimonial, click this button on and customer can now see the testimonial. If you want to edit the particular testimonial, click on edit button, and whatever changes you want to make in the particular section, you need to enter details and click on submit button, and by clicking submit button your changes will be updated. If you want to delete the particular testimonial for a permanent base, just click on delete button, and by clicking on yes delete, your particular testimonial is deleted from the website on a permanent base. Testimonial section can be also updated title. So as if you want to update this testimonial title, you can update this from the panel. For that you need to click on add and view button, and over click here to update your title. For update you need to click on edit button and enter whatever you want to update in a title. And by clicking on tick mark button, your changes will be updated, and now you can check in your website that your testimonial title is updated. So as per your requirement, you can manage testimonial title also, and it will be display over here. After testimonial section, last section is social media. Over here you can enter multiple social media account like Facebook, Instagram by clicking on add and view button. So how to manage social media? For managing social media links, you need to click on add and view button. Once you click on add and view button, over here you have type of in which you can select the particular type for which you want to create this social media. Then after label, in which you need to enter your particular social media title and enter the link. First we are starting with the Facebook. Click on Facebook if you want to update Facebook. Then after enter Facebook name and enter your profile URL. And click on submit button. Now in website you can check that your social media section is created and Facebook account is there. So you can enter multiple social media accounts by clicking on add and view button. Just select the particular section, enter the title and value. Whenever you enter WhatsApp number, you have the country code option is there, so select the country code as per your requirement, and in your website you can check that multiple social media account is available. So for that you need to click particular section. If you have any social media which is not available in this list, so for that you can enter custom option, select the custom link from the panel, enter the title whatever you want, select the value, means enter the your social media link over here, and upload the logo for the particular section and click on submit button. So if there is any social media which is missing from the list and still you want to update in your website, so custom option is there. By clicking on custom option you can create any social media account which you want to display in your website. So over here you can manage your social media links by selecting particular type and enter the title and the value whatever you want. If you want to change the sequence of this particular social media, you just need to click particular section and drag and drop as per your requirement. Now in your website you can check that your sequence will be updated. So as per your need, you can manage your single page website using this admin panel. If you want to hide particular social media from the section, just click this status button off and this social media is hidden from the website. If you want to available this section, just click this button on and social media will be activated. If you want to edit, click on edit button and make the changes whatever you want and click on submit button to update your changes. Then after delete option is also, so for delete permanent base you just need to click on delete button and by clicking on yes delete, your particular section will be deleted from the website. So as per your requirement, you can remove the social media section or manage it from your site. Thereafter there is a card view is there. Right now there is a slider view. Here you can check that slider is available, and if you want to switch to the card view, just click this button off and now you can check that card view is available. So card view will be displayed like this in website option. For that you need to create website option in social media link. And click on submit button. Now in card view, website option is also. So as per your requirement, if you want the card view, just switch the your toggle to the card view, and if you want to show the slider view, just click this button on. So as per your requirement, you can manage card view and slider view by using this button. And if you want to change the color for the card view, like if you want to update this orange color with the red, for that you need to click on admin panel, click here, select card color and update your card color as per your requirement. So whatever color you want, you just need to select the color, and font color can be also updated. So as per your requirement, you can manage theme color and font color, and by selecting color just click on submit button, and once you click on submit button, your details will be updated as per requirement. So card view with the sidebar, and if you want the card view with the top bar, just click on this button and now you can check that card view will be available with the top bar. So as per your requirement, you can manage card view and slider view by clicking this button on and off. Whenever customer made an inquiry using inquiry section, for that customer needs to enter their name and mobile number, email ID. Remark is optional, so if they don't want to add details in this, they can skip also. And by clicking on inquiry now button, their inquiry will be submitted, and in inquiry section you can check that customer inquiry is there. By clicking on view button, you have all the details in inquiry box. So as per the customer inquiry, you can check the inquiry can be made from the particular service or product, and also there is a general inquiry option is there, so customer can enter inquiry from here also. And by clicking on submit now button, your inquiry is submitted, and in panel you can check inquiry made by the user. So here there is a two option for the inquiry. One is general inquiry and second is individual product or service inquiry. Customer even can purchase the product, means this is the informative website, so direct online payment is not possible. So by clicking on buy now button, inquiry form is there, and by updating all these details, you will get the details about the customer in your admin panel, so that you can directly contact client based on their requirement. And by clicking on buy now button, customer inquiry is submitted, and in your order section you can check that for particular product customer have an inquiry about the requirement. So by this you can contact customer for their buy now inquiry. So buy now inquiry will be available in our order section, and other inquiry will be available in our inquiry section. By managing admin panel, you can get the details about the inquiries for